Hey everyone, if you want to transfer files between your computer and cloud storage, or copy data between different cloud providers, Rclone makes the process fast and efficient. In this video, I'll show you how to copy files with Rclone from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure Rclone is installed and that you've already configured at least one remote cloud storage connection such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, Amazon S3, Backblaze B2, or another supported provider. After launching the copy operation, monitor the transfer progress displayed in the terminal window. Rclone provides detailed information about transferred files, transfer speeds, skipped files, and overall completion status. And that's how to copy files with Rclone in 2026. With properly configured remotes and a good understanding of the copy command, Rclone provides a reliable way to move data between local systems and cloud storage services. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.